What is up, boys? Today, start na ng peak week natin for our third and final block para sa volume. Workout natin today ay squats. 5 sets of 120 kilos for 5 reps. So, medyo madugo na, no? Hindi natin ano mangyayari. Let's push some weight, man. Warm up tayo. Warm-up's done. Moment of truth. 125 loaded on the bar. It looks so menacing, bro. 20, 40, 50, 100, 120, 125. Man, 2 minutes rest. Overall, warm-ups medyo stiff. Parang ang wobbly ng form. Pero I think doable naman. Can you see how that looks? So menacing. Kapalo. Curious ako kung paano tatakbo to kasi I think never pa ako nagkaroon ng ganitong klaseng volume at this weight. 120. Parang laging top set lang siya before. 6 ata yung most ko. So we'll see kung talaga bang nag-progress na ako sa block training. Let's see. Mic tap natin yung session para marinig niya yung grind. Relax. Yeah, that's all. Feel ko mag-fail ako. Yeah, yan. No. Man. Man. Sobrang bummer nun, gago. What's up, boys? Na, watch me genuinely crash out kasi akala ko 4 reps lang nagawa ko na dapat 5 kasi yun yung rep range ko for this block. Boy, nagulat na lang ako ngayon habang nag-edit. Pero final thoughts na lang rin, overall, okay na ako sa 4 reps kasi total volume for this session is still higher dun sa previous and clearly, sign pa rin yun ng progression. Can't be helped na lang din siguro kasi I'm closing in na sa mga magiging potential max ko. Anyway, ayan, watch me lock in and hit another 5 rep sets sa second set. So, sobrang frustrated ko. Then, for the remaining sets, nag 4 reps na lang ako. Di na rin ako nakapag-deadlifts. Kailangan ko na sila paghiwalayin at least moving forward. Pero, nevertheless, what a session, boys. Enjoy the rest of the video. See you tomorrow.